500 volt DC shunt motor takes 4 ampere on no load. The armature and field resistances are 0.2 and 500 ohm respectively. The efficiency when it draws a current of 20 ampere. So this is the problem to calculate efficiency. Let us see the approach. So students, what is the formula for efficiency? It is nothing but output by input, right? Output power by input power. So what is the output power? Input minus losses by input, right? So here, this is a DC shunt motor. Let me draw the equivalent circuit. This is field winding. And there is armature resistance, right? And this is our back EMF. These are the terminals. So armature resistance is 0.2 ohm. And the input is 500 volt. And on full load, it is drawing a current of 20 ampere. Sorry, it is not on full load, just on some load. It is drawing a current of 20 ampere. And field winding resistance is 500 ohm. Right? Now, first we should calculate the input. What is the input to this machine? Input is 500 into 20. That is 10 kilowatt. So our efficiency will be 10 kilo minus losses by 10 kilo. Next we should calculate the losses. What are the different kinds of losses that are present in a DC machine? First one is losses due to armature winding resistance. Next one is field winding resistance. And the third one is mechanical losses. Right? These are the three kinds of losses that are present in a DC machine. So what are the armature losses? Ia square into armature resistance. Should calculate the armature current Ia. So from this equivalent circuit, what is the field current? 500 by 500, that is 1 ampere. So Ia will be 19 ampere. If Ia is equal to 19 ampere, what will be armature resistance losses? 19 square into Ra. What is Ra? 0.2 ohm. This is equal to 72.2 watt. Next, let us calculate the field losses. Field losses is equal to If square Rf. What is If? 1 ampere. 1 square. And what is Rf? 500 ohm. So this will be 500 watt. Or you can also calculate this as V square by Rf. Nothing wrong. Both will give the same result. Next, third one is mechanical losses. So the question is how to calculate the mechanical losses. For this, there is some other data given in the question. That is, DC shunt motor takes 4 ampere on no load. So let us analyze the DC motor in no load condition. This is our motor, 500 ohm, terminal voltage is 500 volt, and it is taking 4 ampere under no load. Generally, students, what will be the input power supplied? Equal to First one is load and next thing is losses. So it is clearly mentioned that there is no load. So if load is equal to 0, the total input power will be equal to losses. And what are the losses here? Armature loss plus field loss and plus mechanical loss. And mechanical losses are constant losses. They will be same either on load or in no load condition. Now here armature loss is, if this current is 1 ampere, armature current will be 3 ampere. 9 into 3 square is 9, 9 into 0.2 plus field loss will be 500 watt plus mechanical loss. This we should calculate. And what is the input? 500 into 4, that is 2000 watt. So from here mechanical losses will be 2000 minus 500 minus 1.8. That is 1498.2 watt. So mechanical losses are 1498.2 watt. Let us substitute all these losses in the efficiency equation. Efficiency is input minus losses by input. So 10,000 watt minus losses of 72.2 plus 500 plus 1498.2 by 10,000. And since it is efficiency, we should multiply by 100 percentage efficiency, and the answer is 79.29%, right? So the only difficulty in this question is calculating the mechanical losses, and you can overcome that by taking the no load conditions. So this is the approach.